This is how you make a diamond.
Yeah, right. Out of peanut butter and coal.
Yeah, I cold BS.
I coal BS.
So ice, and then you put it in warm water.
Yeah, not coal water.
Cool.
It turns into that?
Nah.
No way. Oh god. Alright, so we're gonna light this up like a jack-o' lantern. Is that good?
That's good, yeah. I think you got
So dangerous.
I think you got no, you're good.
That's good. Yo!
Yo!
Oh, roll. There we go.
There we go. Now it's coming. Now it's coming.
That's good. Okay, and then we immediately dip it into our peanut butter.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Like so. There we go. Now you get the ice that wasn't ready. Oh, what? We go like this. There, that's what we're gonna do. So we put it on ice.
You like get it right in there, right?
Now we add more ice to the top.
Yeah.
That's all we gotta do. That's all they did, right?
Yeah.
Anything else? That's it. Just put it in your bowl, and if this works, it'll be unbelievable. We'll see you in 24 hours.
All right.
There's no room in here. Don't need those, I guess. All right, now it's in. We'll see you soon. All right, so it's been 24 hours. Let's check on our frozen peanut butter chocolate.
Chocolate. There, freezes pieces.
Reese's Pieces. Nice.
It's all frozen
so
together.
cold, man.
Yeah. Grab a like a.
Here, I'm gonna try this.
Yeah, grab a butter knife or something. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Just poke at it.
Don't want to ruin the diamond. The diamond. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
What are the chances that you think this is actually going to be a diamond?
I mean, I don't know, 0 because we don't do anything right.
All right.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah, I got it out. All right, so this is what it looks like after 24 hours.
Okay.
It's like nothing.
Looks like I want to eat it, kind of.
Does look kind of good.
Yeah, it does look.
That's about it. So now we're supposed to take it,
Rub
put it in
it
the warm water. Oh, that feels nice.
Yeah, yeah.
And you massage it, and you're supposed to get a diamond.
Come on, work.
Sick.
What? No, it's not done.
It worked.
It did?
No.
Oh.
It's just coal covered in peanut butter.
We could have cold this.
Maybe if you scrape it. Oh, I don't like how that's in my nails. Oh, give me the heebie-jeebies.
Come on.
No, not a chance. What a stupid. Like, why do we even try this?
Man, this is some BS.
Lies. We did exactly what they, like, what did we do wrong? We did something wrong, probably.
You guys got regular fire coal. You're supposed to get antioxidant
coal?
Himalayan mountain coal. There should be something
Right.
like that.
Exactly. From Colorado.